Unlocking Success: The Power of Academic Counseling. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an essential topic that touches the lives of students worldwide: academic counseling. Whether you're embarking on your educational journey or seeking ways to enhance your academic experience, understanding the role of academic counseling can be a game changer. So, let's unravel the mystery together. At its core, academic counseling is a support service provided by educational institutions to help students navigate their academic journey. This service is designed to assist students in making informed decisions about their educational paths, career choices, and personal development. Academic counselors are professionals trained to offer guidance, support, and resources tailored to each student's unique needs and goals. Engaging with academic counseling offers numerous benefits that can profoundly impact a student's educational experience. Some of these benefits include personalized academic planning. Counselors help students develop a customized plan that aligns with their interests, strengths, and career aspirations. Improved academic performance. By identifying challenges and strategizing solutions, students can enhance their academic skills and performance. Career exploration and guidance. Counselors provide valuable insights into career options and the steps required to pursue them, helping students align their academic efforts with future career goals. Emotional and social support. Academic counseling also addresses the emotional and social aspects of student life, offering support through challenges and transitions. To truly benefit from academic counseling, students should approach these services proactively and openly. Here are some tips to make the most of academic counseling. Be prepared. Come to counseling sessions with questions or topics you'd like to discuss. Being prepared helps you get the most out of the session. Be open and honest. Share your concerns, aspirations, and challenges with your counselor. The more they know about you, the better they can assist. Follow through. Implement the advice and strategies discussed during your sessions. Success in academic counseling comes from taking action on the guidance provided. We hope this video has shed some light on the pivotal role of academic counseling in shaping a successful educational journey. Remember, seeking guidance and support is a sign of strength and a step towards unlocking your full potential. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into English language learning. Until next time, keep striving for excellence and never hesitate to reach out for the support you need. Thank you for watching.